Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to access video tutorials for car repairs in AUTODOC. So let's get started with the video. So first you need to go to any of the browser and in the search bar you need to search for AUTODOC Club Manuals. So basically you will get all these links over here. So which offers like 3600 free video tutorials or more. You can click on the first link that you will see here, the official website. Accept all the cookies, terms and condition. Post that here you have to select, for example, which is your car marker, what is the model, what is the car part category. You have to provide the details for your car over here. You can choose among the all the models here provided. For example, I am selecting randomly. Post that you need to click on find. Now when you will scroll down here, you will see basically all the videos over here, the free videos that has been provided for the repair for AUTODOC Club website. On the AUTODOC Club website, you can click any of this link and after that you can also download the particular video and watch it. So basically this is how you can access the video tutorials for car repairs. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.